They're coming in, bringing all the plastic in again. That's my feet. The waves are just relentless. Gotta watch out. As the waves come in, I've got to just be a little bit careful with my camera. This is what I've got to do to show you what's happening. Okay, it's day 2 here in Bali, and it's raining again. But this morning I've got company on day 2. This is Prima, my assistant for today. Say hi.
Say hi. Hi.
And it's raining. Prima has brought me this lovely green rain jacket. We're going to jump on his bike. And we're going to go back to the cleanup site that we were at yesterday and document what's happening again in the rain. Okay, let's go. Just like England weather, yeah. At least it's a little bit warmer here. Oh my goodness. Welcome to Bali. Roads are a bit rough. Going down to the beach. Look. Okay, we just arrived. Everybody's just getting ready. You can see in the background there. The weather is obviously playing a factor today, but we'll just get started. I'm just going to wait for Prima, and then we can start shooting again and see what's happening today. Try to get some photos. Hopefully this weather will stop briefly at least. The aim is to get more photos of what's happening today, the cleanup activities. I have my drone with me, so I want to fly that as well if the weather clears, and keep making some pictures today. Okay, we're back on the beach. It's day 2 of the cleanup, and you can see behind me we've got hundreds of people who've come out again to help with the cleanup, local people and also visitors to Bali. So we're just going to go out and document what's happening again, photograph the cleanup, and hopefully this weather will clear briefly. So I've got my umbrella to protect me a little bit. I'm just going to start taking photos. Today, one of the aims is to make some portraits of some of the volunteers that are here today to clean up the plastics. So, with the help of Prima here behind me, we're having a little setup with a flash, and we're going to make some portraits of people as they clean up the plastic. Here on the beach they've got these large trucks which are collecting all the collected rubbish. So all the plastic waste is put into these white bags, piled up on the beach, and then they'll be put into this little, I don't know how to call it, little truck, little caterpillar truck, and then loaded up and then taken off to the recycling center, which we'll be photographing at a later date. I'm just going to go over here and take some pictures of these guys loading up the white bags onto these trucks. Okay, standing here in the waves, getting caught by some of these waves. If you look below, that's my feet, and all the plastic just gets caught in there. That's what it's like. This is what I've got to do, get in here to show you what's happening. Okay, we're taking a break now. It's about lunchtime. So Puma and I are going to go and find a local restaurant to eat, take a break, recharge for a couple of hours, and then be back out this afternoon. It's back on the bike. So getting around by bike is the best way in Bali.
Yes.
With a trusty driver. You got to trust your driver. See, even Bali has traffic jams. Not as bad as Beijing though. Okay, here we go. Found the spot for lunch. Ramen. Here we are. This is your Prima eating his lunch. Nice. Got to eat, keep our energy levels going. Bit of noodles. That is really good. How's yours, Prima?
So good.
Keeps going for the afternoon. It's important to take these kind of rest times during the middle of the day, especially here in Indonesia when it's so hot in the middle of the day. It's really tiring working in these hours in the middle of the day. So get some drink, get some food, and then we'll get back at it a little bit later and get back to the beach. Cheers. Okay, we're back at the beach for the afternoon session on day 2. And a lot of people have just arrived for this afternoon session. If you look behind me, whole crowd of people, you can probably hear the music. We're just heading back down onto the beach. Now my aim this afternoon is to get some drone photos of some of the plastic collection that's taking place. So that is the goal of this afternoon. Then wait until it gets a bit darker, sunset, make some more portraits, and that'll be pretty much it for documenting the plastic cleanup here. So we're going to get started for the afternoon. Let's go fly the drone. Okay, so we're flying the drone at the moment, and we're going to give you a little bit of it. So have a look at that. You can see that view. So there's a tree over there in the shallows just surrounded by all this plastic pollution. So I'm just going to get some shots of that. Hopefully show you what they look like now. Okay, we are back on the beach, day 2, the afternoon. And here we are again. You can see the waves are coming in pretty strong now. They're coming in, bringing all the plastic in again. Just back again, just documenting it. The waves are just relentless, coming back again and again and again. Keep coming through. So I'm trying to capture some of the waves here as they come in. I'm trying to photograph this motion and try to capture the waste and garbage as it comes through as well. So that's what I'm trying to communicate in these pictures. Man, oh man, look at this. Incredible, the waves coming in. Gotta watch out. As the waves come in, I've got to just be a little bit careful with my camera. But you can see the waves are pounding in now, and as they come in, just bring all this plastic and then it rushes down. And you see how much there is just collecting there next to my shoes. Go up here, you can see how the plastic is just collected on this this tree that's been washed up on the shore as well. Taking a small break now. It's come to the end of the day. The sun is setting out there, and yeah, it's just another day of trying to soak up the reality of what is happening here in Bali. This plastic crisis. I mean, the waves just keep coming and coming. It's my second day and it's still not easy to see. So before I leave today, I'm going to make some portraits of some of the volunteers who are cleaning up the plastic behind me. So I'm going to use my flash, do some portraits to try to capture the really hard work that people are doing. And I'm going to show you some of the pictures in a moment. Sorry, just as another wave brings another wave of plastic in. I just got to keep documenting this, and I think telling the story of some of the people who are doing this is a good way to do that. So that's going to be my last thing for today, for day 2. Oh, sorry, more waves coming in. And then we'll wrap it up for today. And then on to day 3 tomorrow. Let's have a look at the photos, the portraits of the people who are cleaning up this mess. Well, it's the end of day 2 from here on the beaches of Bali. Just wrapped up shooting a couple of those portraits that you just saw and a few other of the documentary shots, and yeah, it's been a productive day, but I'm a little bit tired if I'm honest. Just being out in the sun. It's a bit warmer today. You can probably see I'm a bit bit red on my nose and on my hands, but it's kind of part of the job. Anyway, I hope you found it interesting seeing what I've been up to today, flying the drone, making portraits and documenting the plastic cleanup. For today, we're over, we're done. It's been a productive day. And so tomorrow I think I'm gonna have a bit of a rest day, edit my photos and make a plan for the rest of the week. So make sure to watch the other videos in the series as you follow my adventure here in Bali, documenting the plastic crisis. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe and consider sharing and let other people know about what's happening here with the plastic pollution crisis in Bali. Okay, thanks. See you in the next video. I'm going to enjoy the sunset.